So here we have a new streaming application, new for 2025, never before seen on YouTube, giving you access to hundreds and hundreds of live TV channels, thousands and thousands of movies and TV shows, video on demand, all presented in a really nice interface with a fully working EPG, the electronic program guide, that you can access on your Firestick and Android TV. Now, this application is absolutely free. Doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. It doesn't really seem to have any adverts, and it's just jam-packed full of content that I'm sure you will enjoy. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started.
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
Now I'm doing my demonstration on the 3rd generation Fire TV Cube, but you can follow this process on any other Amazon device or any other Android TV. And let me just say a big thanks to Patrick, who's one of my channel members, who told me about this application. I do have a private chat group on Telegram where we discuss the best streaming applications, tips and tricks, how to get the most from your streaming devices, and of course the kind of applications you can't really talk about on YouTube. All of that's discussed on that channel, including my last video where I mentioned how to remote control your Fire Stick or Android TV from the internet. I actually invited the developer of the application to join my group so you could talk to him, ask questions, and fully understand how things work. So if you guys are interested in joining that group, do have a look in video description and pinned comment on how you can join. Let's open up the app, which is called Zonify or Zonify. Let's give that a second. Now, when you start the application for the first time, you'll get taken directly into the home page where you'll see some of the popular movies, TV shows, and even live TV content. Here we are. So this is the home page. You can see the spotlight sections. You see some of the popular content in here. Lots of very, very new or recent things. Let's go down. Then you've got trending section. You've got different genres. You've got keep watching, you've got watch later. So if you do start an episode or start a movie, you can continue watching wherever you left off. And for an application to have that feature where it doesn't require any kind of sign in, I do think that's quite impressive. Now, before we continue, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, stay safe online, change your IP address, access geo-locked content, protect your privacy, you definitely want to go ahead and scan this QR code for a superb discount. Then you recommended movies, you got recently added movies, you got forensic files, binge-worthy movies, lots and lots of different things based on real life, trending movies. You got 90s Time Machine. I'm sure you see some popular content in here. Lots of different things, edgy comedies, horror stuff, trending shorts. You got some sports content here. Let's go to the left. So now you've got dedicated section for movies, and here you'll see more of the same kind of content, all properly categorized, different genres. Here, for example, if I'm only interested in documentaries or sci-fi, let's click on that. That will then filter out the content and show me the sci-fi content only. Let's go back. Let's go to channels. And here you're looking at the fully working program guide where you can see exactly what's on now. And you can quickly navigate through hundreds of these different channels. Here, for example, you got Bean Sports, you got some poker channels. Here, for example, you got Magellan TV for your documentaries. Let's try that for a second. So here it looks like they're showing some shark documentary. Let's tune into that. Give that a second, and we can see without seeing any adverts. Although I'm not looking at a shark, I'm definitely seeing some nature content here with some, I think that's monkeys. That's working great. And that is a glorious high definition picture. Let's go back, and you're quickly taken back to the EPG where you can then navigate to different channels. So I did say on their website they have hundreds and hundreds of channels, but it will normally depend on your regional location, which will determine what kind of channels you see. But definitely in terms of content, you've got drama, entertainment, news, sports, movies. You've got some international content. Give that a second. And again, guys, you can see no adverts. And in a few seconds, we are taken straight to that live broadcast. And that's working flawlessly. And that really is the benefit of these official streaming applications, as they are fully licensed applications. They have the bandwidth, they have the infrastructure, and it just means you can enjoy all of this content absolutely free with no buffering, no stuttering, and of course, 100% legally. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Let's go back. Then you've got a short section. So this is going to be more like smaller clips. Again, different content, outdoor content. You've got some gaming, you've got some motors, foodies, lots of different things. So overall, guys, I think great application, absolutely free. The fact that you can access all of this content on your Amazon Fire Stick, on your Android TV, without signing in, giving you access to thousands of different movies, hundreds of different channels, all with that fully working program guide. I do think this application is definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this on all of your devices, let's press the home button. Let's now go over to the search. I can now type in the word Zonify. Let's just go with Zone, see if that comes up. There we are, so Zonify, I can click on that. And that's the application there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in your Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, I will upload the latest version directly onto my website. Just head over to TechDoctorUK.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this application on all of your Android devices. The only thing to mention that certain applications like this one, they will check to make sure you are in a supported region. I'm based in the UK, but I've just set my VPN to the USA location, to New York. And because of that, I can now go ahead and access all of this content. And that really is one of the main benefits of using a VPN, where you can change your virtual location, but more importantly, it also protects your online privacy because it hides your online digital fingerprint, which is your IP address. Because when you activate a VPN, you're now no longer using your own IP address. You're using one of the thousands of IP addresses provided from your VPN provider. And with that, you can then unlock content, you can access different Netflix libraries, and really just keep yourself safe online. Right now, there's a super special offer for the VPN I personally recommend, where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN, and they also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it doesn't matter if you've got 3 Fire Sticks, 10 Android TVs, 2 laptops, all of those devices, unlimited devices, will be covered with a single license. You get blazing fast speeds, so zero buffering, and they also have a verified no logs policy. So they're not logging anything, they're not monitoring anything. You really can stay anonymous whilst using this VPN. You can access all of your favorite applications, your Netflixes, your BBC iPlayers, your Hulus. All of your streaming applications can be unlocked by using this VPN. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.